Hey, Daniel here, back with one more Mother's Day project that you can do with your kids to really make Mom's Day. Now this one's for the garden. We're gonna be doing concrete stepping stones. It's gonna be a pretty simple project, so I think the kids are gonna have a lot of fun with it, but it's gonna be really special for Mom too. So you really only need 3 things for this project. You need some kind of cement mix, you need some disposable containers to use as concrete molds, and you need some personalized objects to embed into your stepping stones. All right, first we need to find some concrete. Now, if you do a lot of big outdoor DIY projects, you might have a spare bag or 2 laying around. I know I've got some under the shed here. There's one from the deck. This one's from the swing set. So we've kind of got a tale of 2 concretes here. This one I was irresponsible and just left it open in the bag under the shed. It's totally solidified. The moisture's gotten in there and activated the concrete, so it's pretty unusable. But on this one, I was a little smarter. I wrapped it up in this plastic bag real tight, so it's still unsolidified and very usable. I got about half a bag left, which I think is plenty to make several of these stepping stone designs. It's a good lesson though if you're trying to store your concrete, make sure you seal it up to keep the moisture out. Now we need some containers, and we can really get creative here. A takeout tin is perfect to use for a smaller circle. Any molded plastic will work great too, and it doesn't have to be circular. But if you want the perfect stepping stone mold, you gotta be willing to make some hard choices. Actually, I have a ton of Lowe's buckets, so it's fine. Lastly, we need some knickknacks. I had my son pick out a few little treasures to use for a kid-themed design. Then I gathered a few rocks outside for a more natural theme. And lastly, for a mosaic design, I found some leftover tile to use. I also decided to break apart this little terracotta pot with tile nippers to use as additional mosaic pieces. Okay, so we have gathered our supplies for the 3 designs we're gonna try here. The first one is the kid theme design with the toys and knickknacks. It's gonna go in this takeout container. The second design is the more natural one with the rocks. We're gonna put that in this rectangular plastic lid. And then the third design is the mosaic. We're gonna try it in this sacrificial bucket bottom and using the terracotta and leftover tiles. So we're set up outside because it might get a little messy, and it's time to start mixing the concrete. But even though we're outside, you need to make sure to wear a mask and glasses anytime you're messing with concrete. Every concrete mix is a little different, so read the bag for specific mixing instructions. But the general rule of thumb is about 5 parts concrete to 1 part water. Once the water is mixed in thoroughly and the concrete is the consistency of thick mud, use a trowel to scoop the mix into your container. Shake the container to flatten out the surface and to get some of the air bubbles out. Then press all of your objects firmly into the concrete and try to avoid moving any pieces once they're in place. Some concrete starts drying in just a few minutes, so you want to have a pretty good idea of the design you're going to make before you start. Once you finish placing all your personalization elements, wash your tools, wash your hands, and go get a good night's sleep while your concrete cures. All right, we've let these dry overnight, so it's time to carefully cut them out of their containers. The molds should release the concrete pretty easily, but if it's giving you trouble, don't put too much stress on this newborn cement. Just carefully make cuts around the perimeter until your masterpiece is free. Well, what do you think? I really like this one. Concrete is a great material for kids to learn about, and there's so many different designs you could do with this. You can try all kinds of container shapes and sizes, and you can embed all kinds of objects too. Let me know if you end up trying this one with your kids. I want to hear how it goes. And moms, happy Mother's Day.